how to share your Pinterest pin on Instagram. To do so, download the application Pinterest on your device and make sure you're logged in. After that, you can see a home page filled with lots of ideas that you may want to share on Instagram. Or you may also share the same pin on your collection. After that, just tap on one of the pins that you may like to share. You can see an option at the right corner of the screen. Just tap on it and you'll get an option to share it not only on Instagram but to many other social medias. Since we're going to share it on Instagram, just tap on Instagram and you'll get to a page where you can share it with your friends. Now just tap on send and you're done. To make sure you've sent it, just tap on the link and you get back to the pin that you just tried to share. In this way, you can simply share your pin on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.